Hello and welcome to Mia Talks Ecological Engineering. In today's blog, I'll be exploring design consistent with ecological principles.
An example that I believe will become much more common in the future is ecologically designed sea or river walls. Today I'm down at Point Resolution in Dalkeith. Here we can see a complex intertidal habitat. This is what we should be aiming to emulate with river wall designs. It is here that ecosystems flourish, and by adding in components of natural systems to our river walls, we can take advantage of the benefits that ecosystems provide. Here we are a couple of k's down the river, and you can see that the shoreline has changed. There's concrete seawalls along the length of the river. The construction of these can have significant negative impacts on the local marine ecosystems in 4 different ways. Firstly, through direct physical disturbance. Did you know that concrete seawalls don't support the same diversity of species and actually attract introduced marine species rather than native ones? Secondly, they result in loss of natural intertidal habitats that provide vital ecosystem functions. Third, through indirect physical disturbance, and finally through noise and light pollution. So you might be wondering, how can we minimise these effects? Well, I've got the answer for you, and it's through ecological engineering. We want to design walls that minimise environmental impacts, more closely mimic natural foreshores and provide greater environmental value. There are examples of these concrete seawalls all along the Swan River. Recently along Riverside Drive, these have been replaced, and these walls were designed for structural purposes only, with no consideration of ecological impact at all. Similarly, across the river in South Perth, they just spent $500,000 repairing and replacing their river walls with new ordinary ones. In the long term, incorporating ecological engineering design principles into these walls can deliver significant economic, environmental and social benefits. From my point of view, the greatest missed opportunity here in Perth has been Elizabeth Quay. These walls could have been designed to mimic natural shorelines through simple things such as adding in crevices for habitat, and this wouldn't need to change the space requirement. I think that the benefit of doing this would extend beyond the environment, and personally I would really like to see changes in legislation to ensure that new developments incorporate aspects of ecological engineering. I think it's alarming how the environment is so seriously neglected, when ecological engineering can present us with such simple solutions to take advantage of the features of natural systems, and it doesn't need to be complex. As we move into the future, hopefully ecological engineering will be incorporated into the design phase of all new projects. However, I still think we can improve what's already been done. It's going to be a challenge and will require a significant change in how we approach coastal engineering, but in the long term, I think we'll live in a world that is more aware of ecological engineering and will reap its benefits. Let me know what you think. Do you think this is a practical solution and one that the WA government may invest in the future? Let me know below in the comments section. Thanks for watching.